Now we want to turn to Decision 2024. The Supreme Court gave former President Donald Trump a sweeping win today by ruling that states cannot kick him off the ballot over the January 6th attack on the Capitol.
Now, that case is tied to the Colorado appeal, but it also impacts the recent decision here in Illinois that also booted Trump from the Illinois primary ballot. We have more now from political reporter Marianne Ahern today. Marianne.
Alex and Marion, the Supreme Court said the Colorado Supreme Court wrongly assumes states can determine whether federal office holders are ineligible. Instead, it is Congress, not the states, that set the rules for federal candidates. The U.S. Supreme Court unanimous that Colorado does not have the authority to determine if Donald Trump violated Section 3 of the Constitution's 14th Amendment. Section 3 prohibits those who previously held government positions but later engaged in insurrection from running again. The decision also impacts Illinois and Maine. Karen Lederer represented the Illinois voters who filed the Trump ballot appeal.
What they've held is that Section 3 of the 14th Amendment cannot be used to disqualify Donald Trump from the presidency in a ballot challenge.
Donald Trump says the ruling was a big win for America.
You cannot take somebody out of a race because an opponent would like to have it that way.
The Illinois Republican Party released a statement saying, in part, the decision is a victory for voters who will now have an opportunity to choose who represents them in the White House. Local Democrats, too, are emphasizing let the voters have their say.
I'm not surprised by their ruling, and I think it probably was in the best interest of this country to move forward in an orderly process.
The most important thing that we have to keep in mind, though, in this country is that the will of the people, we have the ability to speak our interests by actually voting.
Governor Pritzker spoke at a Democratic rally in Virginia over the weekend and has been expanding his national image as an outspoken Trump critic. Reacts today to the Supreme Court decision.
My view is that we will beat him at the ballot box. There's no reason why politically someone should be thrown off the ballot.
Donald Trump still does face criminal charges, and the Supreme Court will hear oral arguments in April about the question of presidential immunity. Alex?
Thank you, Marianne.